Okay, it's January 15th, 2019 out here in the workshop. We've got the scratch build model of HOBO, a Whiticar Sheerwater, 1 inch equals 1 foot scale. Model's 38 inches long, as the original vessel was 38 feet. Anyway, I just got all the electrics and propulsion ready to go. Up forward, ahead of the motors, you can see the power deck with two 2-cell 7.4 volt LiPo batteries, along with the speed control, which is a 50 amp unit from M-Tronics. Above that is the receiver, simple 3-channel operation. And this is the first time we're running the motors, having installed all the electronics. Here we go. It's a Futaba radio. These are Titan 775 brushed motors, self-cooling with fans in them. No vibration whatsoever. Listen to that. I can feel the air coming off the propellers from where my hand is behind the boat. Run up to full power just for a second. That's full. Propeller spinning in opposite directions, obviously. Now we'll reverse. Very smooth, no vibration whatsoever. Success! It's great when they're running. Alrighty, that concludes today's lesson. See ya!